All right, thank you so much, sir. But anyways, we're at the Andrew Hotel in San Francisco, California, and we got an old gated elevator. This is a Pacific elevator. Oh, my very first Pacific. Even though the fixtures were replaced with some sort of GAL, I'm not sure though. Anyways, let's here we go. Are you going up?
No, no, no. You want to go up?
Yes. Yes. And we'll head back down to the lobby and end there. I so love that motor starting up. Man, that was an epic startup. Anyways, these are your fixtures. The fixtures gotta been replaced. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. Well, here's one last caveat of this thing. Looks like the elevator has obviously been updated at a time. Thank you so much, sir, for letting me ride. But anyways, there it goes. And that is going to be it.